Hey, are you confused about whether you have made a right choice to take up data analytics as your career option and want to know the entire roadmap of data analytics career and where will you be, say, in 5 years down the line, and what is the prospects, what a data analyst do, and what kind of roles are you can expect, what are the domains. So if you have all these questions in your mind as a data analyst career aspirant, so then you're in the right place and in the right video. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. Okay, so what is the career path? So, a career path for a data analyst would be starting as an entry-level data analyst, wherein you would be working with junior and senior data analyst in a team, and you would be a team member, wherein you would be expected to do some activities like data collection, data cleaning, and making some reports, and helping out the other analysts to present the data. So the key skills here required would be your Excel skills and some of the visualization tool. Use some knowledge about those like Power BI or Tableau or any other visualization tool which you are for making reports. It can be Excel as well. So Excel would be very useful as a handy tool and you should be learning it. As per qualification goes, you need to know basics of computers and have a bachelor's degree. Moving on, next would be as you gain some experience, say in 2, 3 years, you can become a junior data analyst, and there you would need some more of interaction, collaboration skills. You should have some domain knowledge to interact with stakeholders, have some strong interpersonal skills as well. So, right from the technical skills, you need to build certain interpersonal skills as well. Moving on would be senior data analyst, wherein the technical knowledge would be very much essential. So you would be expected to know query language like SQL, some programming language, Python or R, and some of the existing knowledge of Power BI as a visualization tool. But here, the key thing would be you need to know the skill of storytelling. That is, interpreting the data and presenting it to the business like they should understand in their language. So, what is the data talking about is something you need to be doing as a senior data analyst. And the the next step, I mean, that would be the final step, would be becoming a data analyst director or a manager in a company, wherein you would be kind of a lead role or a head of department for that, where you would be leading on the strategy, on the roadmap, interacting with other departments, and heading the data department for that company, and which is kind of a very important role, and that would be require a lot of experience and collaboration. And moving ahead, I think when if you're moving towards that roadmap, you would definitely get into there. So this is the career path. Let's look at the career roles as a data analyst. So, if you are a data analyst, so what domains that you can become, and what are the roles called in the industry? So, in industry, you can be also called as a financial analyst who deals with basically the financial reporting of an organization. If you are in a healthcare domain, you can be also called as a healthcare analyst. If you're in a completely technical, so it sometimes it's the role is also called as machine learning analyst, and business intelligence analyst is also one of the technical roles wherein they would deal with the reporting part of it. If you are into retail or marketing related domains, so sales and marketing related data, so handling those kind of reporting would be a job of a marketing analyst. So what it means here is if you have a knowledge of any of these domains, and with the existing knowledge, you can transition into a data analyst as well, and you can establish your career in that role. So, as I mentioned earlier, you would also be interested to know what does a data analyst do. So, it is basically collecting data, cleaning data, modeling the data into specific format, interpreting and analyzing the data, and present the data in form of charts and reports to the right audience so that they can understand. So, this is a high level role or the way they work, but definitely there is more to it, and I will definitely cover that in the coming videos. So that's all. So if you need more information, you can join a VIP Facebook group and get more of the free information. Or if you want to have a one-to-one call or consultation, it's absolutely free. You can book a call and we can guide you and support you in your journey. Thank you, and I would definitely request you to leave your comments and what else you want to know as a data analyst. Thank you.